Let's drive an electric car over a solar panel. Hello everybody, welcome again to Fraction of an Hour with Peak Power. My name is Tucker.
And I'm Dingo, and here we are. So what have we done so far? If you haven't seen them, go back and check it out. We threw some balls with different mass and broke a solar panel. And then we dropped a solar panel from multiple heights all the way up high. Shockingly enough, we discovered that it takes a lot to break a solar panel.
Shocking,
right?
Yeah, I was blown away by when it didn't drop and we hit the highest point.
So today what we want to do is we want to crush a solar panel. So we're going to come with all sorts of different objects, starting from a teeny tiny little matchbox car all the way up to, I don't know, maybe a real truck or maybe even something heavier.
Okay.
We'll see what happens.
All right, here we go.
Let's do this.
The first thing that we are going to do is use a 1969 custom Chevy. Look at that beautiful car. Oh, it is amazing. Woo! That is real custom work there.
I don't know if this is gonna work. It's gonna be so heavy.
And here we go. Custom Chevy, looking good. The custom 1969 Chevy did not break the solar panel. I can't believe it. It's amazing.
Shocker. Okay, next we've got number 33, Rock Force Doom Buggy. It's gonna crush the solar panel. Let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1. Goodbye.
Nice.
Gorilla Cart test number 1. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh, is it bending? I think we're good.
No problems there.
No problems. Okay, now we're gonna try the XR one wheel, or the OneWheel XR versus the Pint, which is the smaller version. This buddy is heavy, and I'm just gonna ride right over that solar panel and see what happens. Let's do this. Oh yeah.
Wow. Nada.
Okay, success. We did it. All right, so next we've got a Levo Comp Specialized electric mountain bike. This baby has a 750 watt battery in it. This is my pride and joy. Let's see what happens.
Here we go. Nice.
Oh,
Perfect.
Oh, what's that?
So we have a Honda TRX 90. I'm really excited to drive this up over the top of it.
I'm excited to watch. All right, let's see what happens.
All right, here we go. Ready?
Yeah, go. What happened?
This is the Honda TRX 90. I'm really excited to go right up and over the top of this. See what happens. Here we go.
Oh, clean. What?
Okay.
What are we doing? What are you gonna do?
Let's drive an electric car over a solar panel. Let's see what happens.
Okay.
Jeez.
Oh yeah. Well,
We destroyed another solar panel.
oh yes we did.
That was amazing. I loved watching that footage to see the car go over the top, not break when that first wheel hit it. And it wasn't until it started moving around and getting different angles of pressure that it actually broke. But the whole entire car was on the solar panel and it didn't even break.
I mean, your car must weigh, what, 50,000 pounds?
I don't know.
At least.
Yeah, I mean,
With all those batteries in that thing?
it's a heavy car. But it didn't break. That was amazing.
We hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you liked what you saw, subscribe, Make sure you make comments. Give us ideas of things you want to see us do with solar panels.
Yeah. Tell us what you want us to break. We will break anything. We will throw anything at it.
We've got a lot of them that we can still break.
So subscribe today. And if you are paying a lot of money for energy, you want to switch to solar, give us a call. Click on the link below. One of our reps will help you.
We'll see you guys next time.